To discuss the concept of Alpha Metropolis, we've taken a panoptic approach. We've brought together a fascinating group of thought leaders, each with a very different perspective on what it will take to create the next level city.
Tonight we're going to be talking about the Alpha Metropolis, which is the city of the future, the city of Generation Alpha. And we're considering how we deal with today's challenges for tomorrow's city. We believe as architects and urban designers that we have a responsibility to show and to lead government towards the right solutions for the future.
I definitely think in the future that we're going to start to see all kinds of people see the benefits of apartment living. Not just young couples who don't want or can't afford a larger home and still want to raise kids, but I think we're also going to start seeing empty nesters perhaps leave the family home earlier, and the real key to that is making sure that we have the right kind of apartment living and that there's the kind of social and community infrastructure around those apartments to support people at whatever life stage they're at.
So the experience with large-scale precincts is people want to have the precinct and the ground plane and the retail as an extension of their workplace or where they live. So you can't just build a building on its own anymore, and you can't just build an office building and expect people to live in that tower 9-10 hours a day. They want to have meetings downstairs, they want to have activities happen, they want to have a social program that works, they want to have gyms. So we're actually looking at how we manage large-scale precincts to actually keep people wanting to be in the buildings that we create, which means the skills you need are vastly different from today.
I think that by going to museums and by collecting in precincts that are made for art, for culture, for that welcome diversity, people's well-being is enhanced and people feel enriched by it and fulfilled by these experiences. So the more cities can create these public spaces, the more you will enhance the feeling of togetherness, which is what people deep down, whether they're aware of it or not, crave for.
So the work that we've done with the Committee for Sydney, as well as young women and girls in Sydney, what it's done is it's showing us that there is some real fundamentals around improving cities and ensuring that they're more friendly for women, but also more friendly for everyone. And it's really about mixing of uses. It's about co-location of social infrastructure, bringing together whether it's sort of school and childcare in one place. But it really is a story about a 20-minute city or a 20-minute neighbourhood and a city of short journeys, and ensuring that all of these different needs can be met.
Fate Smart has always looked to the future, and this has been at the core of our work for the last 165 years. It's imperative that we continue to evolve to ensure that our work remains dynamic and relevant.